Oh, this is not a mirror, is it? This is a video. Oh gosh. Oh geez, this is embarrassing. Well guys, you caught me. I was making googly eyes at myself in the mirror, which is really a video camera, checking out my super rad backpack. It's full of all sorts of funtivities that I'm going to take on a nature walk this afternoon. Would you like to take a tour of my backpack and find out what kinds of things I'm bringing on our nature walk? Let's find out what funtivities I'm bringing on this special Earth Week nature walk this afternoon. The first thing I'm bringing is my water bottle. Gotta stay hydrated while it's so nice out. Water gives you energy and helps keep you healthy. I'm gonna bring along a journal with me so that I can write down any neat observations I see throughout my walk. Sometimes I get lonely during this quarantine period, so I'm going to make sure I bring some socially distant, appropriate company. My special unicorn friend who can sit on my shoulder and help keep me entertained while I'm on my walk. I also am going to bring some bug spray, just in case it gets buggy out there. I have a trash bag to collect some trash that I might find on the ground. Since we are celebrating Earth Week, I want to make sure that we keep planet Earth as clean as we can. I'm only going to pick up trash that I think is appropriate and safe to pick up, such as cardboard, newspaper, any sorts of paper products that might be lying on the ground. Anything that may have come in contact with somebody's body, I'm just going to leave and let the professionals take care of that to keep me safe. After I pick up trash, I'm going to need to wash my hands, so I brought some extra strong sanitizer. Man, after all of that, I'm kind of hungry. Good thing I brought my trail mix with me. Nom, nom, nom. Can't forget my sun protection. I've got my sunscreen on, I've got my eye protectors, and this super awesome hat that my sister sent to me all the way from Colorado. All right. You guys saw all of the goods. Now that we have all of our funtivity supplies ready for action, let's go take a special Earth Week nature walk, shall we? All right, so here we have a pile that I've raked together, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna sort and identify the different things that came in our pile. So we have this really long palm frond. We've got some pollen. Yuck, get out of here, making me sneeze. We have some sticks. Now we have skinny sticks and we have thick sticks. So I'm gonna keep those in two separate piles. We've got some green leaves. We've got some brown leaves. Right? And we have a little bit of Spanish moss. So in our pile, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different items. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to find out how many different items you have in your debris pile. Stay safe out there, everyone. And most of all, have fun. Okay guys, one thing we can do is we can sort these leaves by size. So we can go from tallest all the way down to smallest, right? Simple, easy way to practice measuring. Let's up the ante a little bit. We're gonna create a pattern. Can anybody guess what it is? We've got an A, B, A, B, A, B pattern. You can even switch it up and make an A, BB AA BB pattern. Now, I've only used 2 different materials. Simple, easy, free. Anybody can do it. What are you waiting for? Let's do it. All right, guys, I hope everyone had fun on our nature walk, doing all sorts of different activities outside. My goal is that you and your family will have some quality time outside with one another, enjoying the beauty that is Mother Nature. I'm gonna go have a sit in my lovely sit spot and enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you all do the same. And remember to love one another and to love Mother Nature. Be kind, and I wish you well. Bye.